To all the ADA holders out there, we're gonna make it. What's up, everyone? Welcome to Crypto Capital Venture. Hit the subscribe, hit the like on the way in. It means a lot to me as we grow this YouTube channel, as we try to grow this YouTube channel in the middle of a huge dip. Let's just reference it real quick. Boom. Cardano, 60% dip right now. It's where we are, $1.21. I tweeted this a little bit ago. I said, dear ADA holders, we're going to make it. We're going to make it. I'm so confident about it. It's ridiculous. And a lot of people, I think, there are some people, I shouldn't say a lot, but there are some people out there, they see what the charts are doing on Cardano. They see something like this, and then they see me out there on Twitter, like just being bullish, and they're just like, wow, Dan, like you're desperate. Wow, Dan, you've got that hopium going on a little too much. They see that at just at just the surface level, and I can't, and I don't want to jump right into technical analysis. I want to have a conversation here for a few minutes here on the mentality of crypto. I can't tell you how bullish. I can't tell you enough how bullish I am on Cardano, everybody. And I realize 100% a lot of the Crypto Capital Venture brand at this point, with the amount of content and the amount of time that I cover Cardano, a lot of the Crypto Capital Venture brand is invested in and tied to Cardano. I realize that, but it's kind of purposeful. It's kind of by design. It's something that I don't mind at all, and I'm 100% willing and ready to sit back and watch how this plays out. I have so much confidence that history will tell us the true story of how this plays out. And so, this is a 6-hour chart. It really gives a really just nice illustration of what's happened. 60% dip, there it is. With these dips, really, as it dips, and the more it dips, the haters, the negativity against Cardano, they increase, right? So 60% dip, well, we're getting a 60% increase in negativity and haters in the comments. And that almost is like, that correlation is actually really probably accurate. It's incredible. But I digress from that, and I say, well, why am I so invested in Cardano? And there's so many reasons. I was just out with a neighbor, and we're talking about crypto, we're talking about Cardano, and I'm just like, dude, the ecosystem that is being built, the blockchain that is Cardano, and the reliability and the scalability that is to come, right? We're talking about this Hydra layer 2 solution that's going to happen. Is going to solve so many issues in the crypto space. The Ouroboros consensus model is so on point in my view. And I think the foundation of what has happened in the last year and a half, we talk about these green boxes on this chart, these green boxes, these hard fork events, Shelly hard fork, Mary hard fork, smart contracts here, and Alonzo hard fork, right? Just a story that's being written for Cardano. And then I look at things like Ethereum, and there's absolutely no hate against Ethereum at all, but I just think Cardano is getting ready to shock the world in terms of actually doing what Ethereum is meant to do, but doing it better. And I think it's going to happen. I really do. And I look at the charts even, and I'm just kind of like, wow, early stage Ethereum. I'm looking at Cardano right now, and I think a lot of people are sleeping on the fact that Cardano is poised to explode in a similar fashion, and it already has exploded. Cardano has outperformed Ethereum this year, but it's going to explode on the macro in a similar fashion that Ethereum has. I think that. And when we look at with that storyline in place, with that storyline in play, we have a $40 billion market cap for Cardano, and we have a $468 billion market cap for Ethereum. So Cardano is 10x behind. There's a 10x spread, 10x plus spread between Cardano and Ethereum. And so Cardano is at this stage with smart contracts just released, Plutus application backend, getting ready to start working so that developers can start interacting with smart contracts. And we're going to see it. We're going to see a huge explosion of innovation on Cardano blockchain. This is going to start happening. And Cardano is just, I truly think the whole entire ecosystem is going to explode. And with that, it's not just about Cardano, everyone. And I tweeted something along the lines of this earlier. It's about the Cardano ecosystem, the opportunity that's found in the ecosystem, the altcoins and all those projects that are getting ready and haven't even launched on Cardano just yet, that are getting ready to launch. The opportunity is just so brand new, right? And we do see Cardano down, but at the end of the day, when you zoom out on the charts, this is crypto. Ethereum dipped almost 70% in the last bull market. I've been saying that a lot. And I don't say it just to compare Ethereum and ADA. I say it because it just helps paint a very quick and simple picture. And that is to say, even the best of the best, they dip hard. They just do. This is crypto. We've come to know this as just something that we should embrace and accept. It's nothing new. And Ethereum dipped almost 70% in that last bull market in 2017, in the middle of it. What did it go on to do? It went on to succeed and do well. And I want Ethereum to do well. I want Ethereum holders to do well. I don't have anything bad to say about Ethereum or Ethereum holders. It's just my view from a technological perspective that Cardano is a better play. And it's my view from a technical analysis perspective and upside perspective that Cardano is a better play. Put it this way, and I was just talking to my neighbor about this as well. If Cardano is at $40 billion market cap, right? And Ethereum's at 468 billion. For Ethereum, this is strictly just gains perspective. For Ethereum to 10x, right? We're talking about almost a $5 trillion market cap for Ethereum at this point. That's what we're talking about. If you want a 10x in Ethereum, that's what we're talking about. If you want a 10x in Cardano, Cardano still wouldn't even be where Ethereum is right now. And I believe truly that Cardano has that value proposition to be what Ethereum is now and way more, right? And we know what that weekly chart looks like. $15 ADA is a $500 billion market cap. $15 ADA is around where Ethereum is now in market cap. $31 ADA is $1 trillion market cap. I think that's in the story. I think that's on the roadmap for the charts for Cardano. And this isn't technical analysis, everybody. This is just my opinion. This is just me out here. I'm really just a guy, I run a crypto recruiting firm. I run a YouTube channel. I talk about what interests me. I haven't even gotten started in the Cardano ecosystem. I cover a lot of Cardano. I haven't even gotten started yet, everybody. And that's why I'm so excited about Cardano, because I have, from a YouTube perspective and content creator perspective, I have just this huge playing field getting ready to be before me as a content creator, because all of these projects getting ready to deploy on Cardano, and here's the testnet for SundaeSwap, all of these projects getting ready is extremely exciting. And the opportunity there is endless. It's endless and it's brand new. And so, a lot of people are looking for quick gains in crypto, and they actually, it's interesting, they just really quickly, and I don't recommend just looking for quick gains. I'm not into the get rich quick stuff, but the ones that are, if they should be looking at anything, they should be looking at Cardano, and they should be looking at Cardano altcoins and Cardano projects getting ready to go live. It's crazy that they're not, especially now. Cardano sinking down 60% in this bull market. And so this is what the chart looks like. I'm not going to really dig into technicals very much. I want to see how Cardano does in this range. We're testing just kind of this previous swing low that we just had a week ago. We're testing it once again in the $1.22 range. It is what it is, everybody. On the weekly chart, Cardano is, it is approaching this oversold area on the RSI. We are approaching this area historically that Cardano has been, and look, this is the COVID swing low. Cardano's approaching that area, and we've been tracking this Cardano's getting there. Also oversold on the stock RSI, pretty much like it's never been before, other than back in 2019 and also the bear market low. That's how oversold Cardano's getting on the quicker moving momentum oscillator and the slower moving momentum oscillator, which is the RSI. If you actually look at this, Cardano at the bear market low of 2018, right at this like 37 line, 36 line, Cardano's there right now. Cardano is getting oversold. And how you want to approach that, it's the ball is in your court, everybody. We could go lower. We have targets to the downside. We've talked about it. Here's the daily chart where we're kind of testing this lower trend line. It's from a daily chart, lower trend line zoomed out perspective. It's kind of ugly. You don't want to see trend lines like this broke. You want to see a continued just a nice, beautiful picture of continuous uptrend. And usually crypto does that for a time, and then it doesn't deliver that forever, right? We have to go through these moments of uncertainty. But in these moments of uncertainty, and it's illustrated on the fear and greed index for Bitcoin at 16 right now, in those moments of uncertainty is where the opportunity lies. And I just wanted to do just a quick video. I'm not trying to sell you on Cardano, but I just thought I should do something. I should say something. We've hit our targets to the downside. We've tracked them for months, which was the $1.30 to $1.40 range. We tracked the target for a while. There it is. We hit the target perfectly. We got the consolidation in the target, and now we're breaking below the target. And it is what it is. On the 6-hour chart, we talked most recently, we're in this rising, or you can call it an ascending broadening wedge with an 80-cent target to the downside. That's that next area of preparation. Be ready for it, everyone. A lot of it will have to do with what Bitcoin is doing, and we're going to continue just tracking Bitcoin, tracking Cardano, Bitcoin testing the 50-week moving average, that blue line there on the weekly. I think it's very important to watch that. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to have a conversation with you. And there's so much more to be said, but that was kind of just a very, very brief, just few words on what's going on right now, the state of Cardano, and why I'm just here. I'm here long term. I'm here to build. And I am very, very, very convinced that Cardano is going to outperform as it's done, even regardless of the dip that it's in right now, because we've been here before. We've been here before in these moments of consolidation, these moments of uncertainty. So that's my thought. I could be wrong. At the end of the day, I'll end this video with saying, hey, listen, I could be wrong. Cardano could fail, and it is what it is, but I don't think it's going to. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I know there's going to be a lot of people. I know we're in that moment. Crypto's down, Cardano's down. There's going to be some negativity out there. I get it. But let me know your true thoughts below in the comments. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. I appreciate you coming by. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.